Hari Om students, I am Pushpanjali from CBSE English classes. Today I am going to discuss the sample questions and marking scheme of 2020-21 English language and literature. As we all know that our syllabus has changed, the new pattern CBSE has introduced. So today I will discuss this. Now you can see here the time allowed is 3 hours and maximum marks is 80. Okay. Now general instruction is given. This is the sample question paper which CBSE is going to ask you in the session 2021. Now general instruction you can see on the screen. This paper is divided into two parts, A and B. All questions are compulsory. Separate instructions are given with each section and question whatever necessary. Read this instruction very carefully and follow them. Okay. Now number 3 you can see here. Do not exceed the prescribed words limit while answering the question. That means you have to only write that much word the question is asking. Okay. The word limit is given. You should not exceed from that. So in the option 3, in the general instruction it is given. Now you can see part A. Part A is objective question. Okay. Now in this part A objective question, that is of 40 marks and that is of reading portion. You can see here reading, that is of 20 marks. Okay. Now here one passage is given. Question number 1, read the passage given below. You can see the passage very slowly. I am scrolling this. Now you can see the passage here. This passage is given. Okay. Now, from this passage, the question is asked, on the basis of your understanding, on the basis of your understanding of the passage, answer any 10 question from the 12 that follows. Now, here you can see 12 questions are given, but we have to attempt only 10 questions. Okay. Now, see, I'll tell you the correct answer also. Now see, the reason why on the age has become popular is because of, now you can see the answer. Answer will be A. Constant need for something different. Okay. Now I'll tell you the answer also so that should be clear because this is the marking scheme. So the solution also I'm telling you here. Now question number 2. Choose the option that best captures the central idea of the passage from the given quotes. Now you can see here you have to choose the option. So the correct option is option D. Okay. Option D, para 4. Now question number 3 you can see which of the characteristics are about the writer of the following. Constant 1, known I have limits and that I haven't reached them. But I am going to ignore them and see if or how long I can get by with it. Okay. Now you can see the answer here. Answer you can see the answer is D, 1 and 4. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following will be the most appropriate title for the passage? Okay. Now the answer is here. How much is too much? Now option C is the correct answer. Now question number 5. The phrase potentially harmful circumstances refers to circumstances that can. So you can see the option here. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Be possibly dangerous is the correct answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Select the option that makes the correct use of unsustainable as used in the passage to fill in the blank space. Okay. Now the answer is D. Officials admit that the emergency system is in the longer run. Okay. So the option D is the correct answer. You can see here the red one. I have marked it as a red. That is the correct answer. Now question number 7. The author attempts to dash the reader through this write-up. Okay. Now the correct answer is D. Offer advice to. Okay. So the correct answer is D. Now question number 7. The author uses colloquial words such as ye, wo, who. Which of these following is not a colloquial word? So here stress is not the colloquial word. So the correct answer is D. Now, question number 9. What does the author mean when he says to get our lives in order? So, the correct answer is B. To recognize our lives. Okay. Now, we can come to the question number 10. The question number 10 is choose the option that correctly state the two meanings of outlook as used in the passage. So, the correct answer you can see here is C. 3 and 5. Okay. Now, question number 9. The author explains the importance of discipline and boundaries in our lives using the example of the option given A, B, C, D, and the correct option is C. Lines on the highway. Now, question number 12. What is the message conveyed in the last paragraph of the passage? 4 options are given. Now, the correct answer is be yourself. That is the correct answer. Now, come to the reading portion. Question number 2. Read the passage given below. Okay. Now, see the passage is given. Very slowly I am scrolling this. You can see the passage. Passage is given here. Okay. Now, you can see the passage. Huh? Now, based on this passage, some questions are asked. You can see here, on the basis of your understanding of the passage, attempt any 10 questions from the 12 that follows. Now, here you can see 10 questions are given, and again you have to attempt only 12 questions are given, and you have to attempt only 10. Okay. Out of 12, 10 only you have to attempt. Now, see question number 1. So, question number 1, the correct answer is C. The ability to learn something new. Okay. Now, question number 2. The correct option is B. Countries which upcoming economics shall be maximum tourist football from all over the world in the next decade. Now, question number 3. The correct option is wild and untouched surrounding. Option A is the correct answer. Now, question number 4. Choose the option that lists the correct answer for. Okay. Now, see the options are given and we have to say the correct option. So, for the correct option is A, B, C, D and the correct option is B. Okay. B, 1 is an ethical tourist and 2 is a geotourist. Okay. Now, question number 5. Now, based on your understanding, you have to now again choose your option. So, question number 5, the correct option is C, 2 and 4. Okay. Now, question number 5, the 4 options are given and the correct option is B. The activity preference were varied in females and males. Okay. Now, come to the question number 7. Now, question number 7, the correct answer is D. Ecotourism was one more limited to the small group of highly educated travelers. Okay. Now, question number 7. Question number 7 you can see. Now, the correct answer is 75%. That is B. Option B is correct answer. Now, question number 9. Question number 9, A, B, C, D and the correct option is D. The opportunity to travel to new places. Okay. Now, see question number 9. Choose the option that lists statement that is not true. Okay. You have to tell which is not true. So, 4 options are given A, B, C, D and the correct option is C. Okay. Now, question number 9. Question number 9, the survey clearly showed that the age range of ecotourist. So, here you can see the correct answer is B. Change with the monetary requirements for the trip. Okay. Now, question number 12. Now, question number 12, 4 options are given and the correct option is B. The person who is yet to travel even once as a ecotourist. Okay. Now, our reading portion is over, children. Now, come to the literature part. Okay. Now, you can see, you can come to the literature part. That is the question number 3. Read the extract given below and attempt any one by answering the question. So, see, here 2 things are given. In question number 3, it is also objective question, okay, given from your literature portion. Number 1, number A, okay. Now, number A, it is of 5 into 1, means you have to attempt only one. Okay, you have to attempt only one and here the passage is given. You can see the passage and you have to write the answer. You have to choose the correct option. Okay. So question number 1. How did Valli feel when the elderly man expressed concern that she was standing? Okay. So the 4 options are given and the correct option is C. Fairly displeased. Okay. So this is the first answer. Now question number 2. Choose the option that lists the set of statements that are not true according to the given extract. So again the passage has been given and according to that you have to select the correct option. So the correct option is D. 2, 3, 6. So the correct option is D. Now question number 3. Pick the option that correctly classifies fact as F and opinion as O of the students. Okay, now see, this is given, this picture is given. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 4 pictures are given and according to this picture you have to answer that A means fact is 1 2 and opinion is 3 4. Okay, now 4 options are given A B C D and the correct answer is D, that is facts are 3 and opinion is 1 2 4. Okay, question number 4. Which word does teamed is not corresponded to? Okay, now the correct answer is intersected. 4 options are given and correct word is intersected. C. Now question number 5. Okay, now question number 5. Again the 4 options are given for Valli. You can see encouragement, indulgence, embarrassed, authority. So the correct answer is B. Indulgence. Okay, now again you can see one more passage is given. You have to choose only one. You have to attempt only one passage. That is B. Now B you can see, choose the answer that is for the correct option about the recording of the Baker's monthly account. So Baker's monthly account was 4 option is given. Okay, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So we can see here this is the correct answer, option 3. It is written on the wall because Bakers were maintaining record on the walls, that you can see here. Okay, now come to the question number, next question number. Now you can see here question number 2. When the writer says baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days, he mean that options 1, 2, 3, 4. So option C is the correct answer. Baking as a job isn't as gainful as it used to be. Now question number 3. The statement that is true about payment collection according to the passage is B. The baker was paid for his services at the end of the month. Okay, this is the correct option B. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is the kabai was a peculiar outfit as it was. So the correct answer is a dress like attire. Okay, this is the correct option. Now question number 5. Here again you can see, okay, it is given. Now you can see here the extract use phrases in white. Comments which of the following expression is incorrect and respect to the word invites. Okay, now here see, it is given number 1 trouble, then applications, invites, prayer, guest. So option 2 you can say is the correct answer, that is prayer. You can see here option 2, it is correct answer. Now question number 4. Read the extract given below and attempt any one by answering the question that follows. Okay. Now see here in question number 4. This is also from the literature portion and it carries 5 into 1 5 marks. So 2 poetries will be given and you have to select the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. Okay. You see, you can see the A, you can see this A and in this A, this poetry is given. Huh? And according to this poetry, this is poetry, the tiger in the zoo, I think. Okay, the tiger in the zoo it is from and you have to write the answers. You have to choose the answers. Okay, so question number 1, the correct answer is restless. Now correct answer is restless. And question number 2. What is the rhyming scheme of the given stanza? So the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. You can see the option D. It is the correct answer. Now question number 3. The stanza brings out the contrast between, now 4 options are given, freedom and captivity. It is the correct answer. C. Okay? Now come to the question number 4. What is the case tiger not likely to say to the visitors? Now the correct option, you can see 4 options are giving, and the C is the correct option, that is join me. Okay, you can see here join me. Now question number 5. The tiger's brilliant eyes reveal that he. Now 4 options are given. So the correct option is A. Hopes to be free in the wild someday. Okay. Now second, two poems will be given. Okay, that was poem 1 and this is poem 2. Now you can see in the B, the poetry is from the ball poem. Okay, the ball poem, this lines has been given from the ball poem, and 5 questions they will ask. You can see once again I'm showing you this ball poetry. Okay, now see the question number 1 they have asked. The poet uses the ball as a symbol of the boy's sense of adventure. Now the 4 options are given and the correct answer will be the carefree childhood days. Okay, now question number 2. Now the poet feels that there is no point consoling the boy as. The 4 options are given and the correct option is D. Whatever he says has lost is irresistible. Now see children, if I will tell all the options then it will take more and more time. Okay, but I want to take very less time. See question number 3. Now I will tell you only the correct answer. So for question number 3 the correct answer is D. Cargo. Question number 4. Four options are given. You can see here. Number 1 is some familiar experience. Number 2, a feeling of excitement, a sense of unexpected interruption, some thoughtful moments. So C is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 5. The word does not indicate physical manifestation of sorrow in the boy is. Now question option A, B, C, D, and the correct option is A, worthless. Okay. Now our literature portion is over. Now come to the grammar portion, and the grammar that is of 10 marks. Okay, and in this 10 marks there are 3 questions. Number 5, first of all, for the grammar section, question number 5. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks to complete the note about the Wangla's festival of Meghalaya. Okay, now see here the fill in the blank is given. You have to choose the correct option. ठीक है ना, as we were doing in the fill in the gaps, so it is fill in the gaps only. 4 options are given. So the Wangla's 4 options are given. Is important, are important, ठीक है, was the important, is an important. So the correct option will be is an important. You can see here I have marked it as red color. Is an important. Question number 2. Okay, now same paragraph, you can see blank 2. Being celebrated for making, celebrated to mark, celebrated to marking, being celebrated for mark. So the correct answer is celebrated to mark. Okay, now you can practice from this sample paper. Grammar portion. Now question third blank leads the youngsters. So correct answer is leads the youngsters. 4 options are given and the correct one is A. Now from the grammar section only, question number 6. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks to complete Venu's narration. You must be remembered, dear children, that earlier also we were doing narration, direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, so here the pictures are given. You can see the pictures, and according to that the dialogues are also given. Okay, dialogues are also given. Now according to this dialogue you have to give the answer. You have to fill in the blanks. Earlier these pictures were not present. Now this time pictures are present, and by looking at these, or you can see I saw, ठीक है, Supandadi standing in the field. Okay, see the lines are given. Oh, if I will read everything, then it will take more time. So see, lines are given. Fill in the blanks. So you have to choose the correct option here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 options are given. 3 blanks are given. And what is the correct answer for them? We can see for the first blank. Number C is the correct answer. Asked him what he was. Okay. Now blank 2 for the narration. Fourth one is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Replied that. Now question number 3. Now question number 3 is the correct answer is C. A, B, C, D, and the correct answer is C. That is had heard that people who had. Okay. Now here direct to indirect we have to change according to that blank and dialogues. Okay. Now question number 7. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option for any 4 or the 6. Now here in the question number 7, there are 6 questions and you have to attempt only 4. Okay. 6 questions are given. See, you can see 6 questions are given, but you have to attempt only 4 questions. But I will tell the answers of all the 6 questions. Now question number 1. You dash consult the, now you can see here question number 1. The option will be B, need to. Okay. Now question number 2. Everybody dash keen to participate in the upcoming. Okay. Now you can see here the correct answer is C option is the correct answer. Now question number 3. Grammar section I am telling the answer. Question number 3. The correct answer is fewer. A. A is the correct answer. Now question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Now correct answer is A. A and. Okay. Now question number 5. At this time tomorrow we dash our project details to Mama. Now the correct answer is shall be presenting. B is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 6 you can see. For the question number 6. Okay. Now the correct option is B. You can see B is the correct option. Huh? Now grammar section is over. Now come to the writing portion. Okay. The writing portion. ठीक है राइटिंग पोर्शन सेक्शन बी दैट इज 2 into 5 10 marks. ठीक है पूरा राइटिंग पोर्शन इज ऑफ 2 into 5 10 marks. So here question number 8 you can see. Question number 8 that is from writing section. Attempt any one of the following in 100 to 120 words and it carries 5 marks. So here 2 is given. A and B. You can see here A and B. 2 is given. You have to attempt only one. Which one you like, you have to attempt here. So you can see here question number 8. Now you are Tabassum Tarun, a resident of Satyanagar colony, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. You have noticed that some residents of your colony are repeatedly floating quarantine rules let out during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Write a letter to the SHO of the local police station drawing attention towards the same. Explain how such acts impact the health of the community and request immediate intervention and strict action. So see, one letter is given here to write one formal letter. Okay. Now, question number B here. I'll tell you the marking scheme. What is the marking scheme and how to write the letter. ठीक है. Now you can see for B one more question is given. You are Bajnath Vijay of the Prakashan Nagar. ठीक है. Sundarban Andhra Pradesh. Write a letter to the book Haven store requesting him delivery of the book, stationery and art material. You had ordered telephonically. Share the reason for being unable to pick up the goods in person. Confirm your address details and convenient time slot. Okay. Now see here. You can see here two in the writing portion 2 letters we have got to write. Now how to write the formal letter? The marking scheme. This is the marking scheme from CBSE for question number 8. Now there are attempt one question out of 2. A and B 2 questions are given and the formal writing marking scheme is 1 into 5, that is 5 marks. Now you can see 2 marks for content. For the formal letter 2 marks for content. You can see here I am scrolling this. You can see here. Now 2 marks for expression and 1 mark grammatical accuracy, appropriate word and spelling, plus 1 mark coherence by connecting ideas, logical progression and coherence thought relevance to the idea. This is for 1 mark. Okay, altogether 5 marks. So how you will attempt? I am telling the answer. The question is asked to write a letter. So first of all you have to write the format. Formal letter, how you write? Format. Okay, now format के लिए कितना marks है? 1 mark. You are getting 1 mark for the format. Okay, तो format कैसे लिखेंगे? You have to write the format like sender's address. उसके बाद date, any standardized format like this one, you can see 21/5/2021 we have written here. Now how you will write the receiver's address mentioned in the question. जो भी question में लिखा हुआ that you have to write. अपना मर्जी से नहीं लिखना है. Receiver's address may also be followed by date. After that subject, then salutation, then complimentary close. This is given by CBSE. CBSE has given for this much form. This is the format. Okay. And for this format, you will get 1 mark. Only 1 mark you will get for this format. Okay. Now you can see the question was to write a letter to the SHO. ठीक है, write a letter to the SHO. So for writing this letter, सबसे पहले what you have to do, letter to SHO requesting action against halters of quarantine rules. Those who are doing that, against that you have to write now. So what you will write here, you can see the points. Now here you can see that competency applied overall expression. Now the answers, those who will evaluate your paper, ठीक है, जो आपका पेपर को चेक करेंगे, हाउ दे विल गिव द मार्क्स, दे विल गिव द मार्क्स ऑन दिस थिंग्स, ये आपने लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव रिटेन द सजेस्टिव पॉइंट्स लाइक कंप्लेन अबाउट सम रेसिडेंट्स not allowed following in the quarantine rules, there is an, these are the points. See everything, if I will read now it will take too much time. ठीक है, so that is why I am not reading the points. You can see the points are given here. I am scrolling. And how you will get the marks, how you will get the marks for paragraph. ठीक है, here you can see that how the CBSE is providing the marks. So CBSE is providing the marks like that only. For content 1 marks. Okay, in the beginning I told now for the content 1 marks they are giving. See here I have shown for the content it is 2 marks, accuracy and expression 2 marks. Okay, and 1 marks for grammatical accuracy, appropriate words like that. Okay, now come for B. Now this was also to write a letter to book. ठीक है, letter to book heaven store requesting home delivery to ordered goods. You have ordered something. Okay, you have ordered the books, and for that you have to write a letter. So how you will write the letter? You can see what are the points you have to write. ठीक है, reference, inform, give reason, why illness, family emergency, why you telephonically you are ordering such things. Okay, and how you will get the marks? Here it is given clearly. Clearly you can see on the screen everything is given, how you will get the marks. Competency applied for the overall expression. The evaluator will read these points. After reading these points they are going to provide you marks, otherwise you will not get the marks. Okay, that is why when we are giving the literature exam na, English literature exam, we think that we will get more and more marks, but what happens when our result comes, we are getting less marks. Why we are getting less marks? Because we are not knowing the marking scheme. How the, when the people goes for evaluation, according to the marking scheme they are checking your paper. Keep it in your mind. Okay, now question number 9. So what is the marking scheme for question answers that we will see here? It is also of 5 marks. Okay, and you have to attempt any one. Question number 9, any one you have to attempt, and this is totally new for this time. In 2021, this is totally new. In place of story writing, they have introduced this paragraph. Question number 9 is analytical paragraph. So question is given for the analytical paragraph. The chart below displays the data about the number of digital devices purchased in Rishinagar across the year 2015-2019. Write a paragraph analyzing the given data. So this data is given, you can see here, this data is given, digital devices purchased across year in Rishinagar. Okay, now Rishinagar, this digital devices purchasing, this data is given. You can see here in 2025, 2016, 2017, 18 and 19. Okay, and here you can see this color. This color is for smartphone, light sky blue color, and this black color for computers. Okay, for purchasing computers, black color, and this light sky color is for smartphone. Now you can see this black color, you can see for 20, not 40. In figures you can see here devices those got purchased. Okay, so we can say that in 2015 smartphone were purchased only 20, 30 we can say. It is not exactly 40, but No, for the black is for computers. For 2015 black computers is purchased like this 30. And here we can see figures in thousands it is. Okay, so 20,000, 30,000. And the sky blue color is for smartphone. So in 2015 we have seen the smartphones are purchased more than 40,000. Okay, this is the data. This is the data given, but in we will compare it. We will write it. In my another video I have given one analytical paragraph, how to write an analytical paragraph. Okay, here also I will tell you how to write. See, this data is given. This is not for you. Now this you can see. Yes, second question. Write a paragraph to analyze the given argument. One more question is given. You have to choose only one. Okay, you could think about that alternative solution night. Okay, now see. For the writing portion, two things were given. One was analytical paragraph. Two question will be both on analytical paragraph. The data will be given and you have to attempt the question. And the marking scheme for analytical paragraph is, you can see here, 1 into 5, that is of 5 marks. 3 marks for content. Getting all of you? Now here 3 marks for content, 2 marks for expression. 1 mark grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling like that. Okay, so you can see here, in that only for the expression only 2 marks is there. 1 mark for writing and all, spelling mistake like that. So how you will write the data? Data about purchase of digital devices is given. After that, introduction you have to write whatever data is given for purchasing the digital things, devices. Now identification of the main trends, means main trends you will write the paragraph here. Paragraph body 1 means paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Okay, in which year there were more devices were purchased, which year that was less devices were purchased, that you have to mention. Then lastly you have to write the conclusion. Conclusion means concluding lines, summary. The paragraph which you have written, that summary you have to write. And that content will carry half marks. Conclusion will carry half marks, staining main reference from the data provided. And no extra information you should provide. Okay, for analytical paragraph, whatever information is given, that only you have to write. Okay, now see, come to the B. Argument for export ban on plastic. So introduction again, then arguments rationalizing against the favor or assumption you can write, then conclusion. That will also carry same marks. Content 2 marks, and the list clarity there will be 2 marks. Note focusing on that you can write. You can read this content, that is a half marks. Now writing portion is over. Come to the literature portion. Okay, how we will attempt the question answers. Question answers also there are marking scheme. You are writing the appropriate answer, but you are not getting the marks. Isn't it? You are complaining that we are not getting exact marks, full marks. Okay. So see question number 1A. Any 2 you have to attempt. 3 questions are given in question number 10. That is 2 into 2, 4 marks. And you have to attempt only 2 questions. You can see question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Now question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 I will tell you how to write. Okay? Now you can see here. Now it is of 2 into 4, 8 marks. Okay. Now see. Now question number 10 only, B I am telling you. Okay, for that it is any 2. Why did Oliver Lutkin? Now it is also means 2 into 2, 4. You have to attempt only 2 questions. 3 is given. You have to attempt only 3 questions. Okay. Now you can see here like this marking scheme is also given for this. Now any 2 you have to attempt, but 3 answers is given here. First one you can see here, why did Oliver Lutkin's mother laugh as she chased him and Bill away? See, the points are given. The exact answer you have to write. If you will not write the exact points, then you will not get the marks. Okay, you will not get the marks. Same way here I have told you. See, you can see here in question number 10. A, 3 questions are given. 3 questions are given. So altogether what is the marking scheme here? So marking scheme here is like that. You can see for content it is of 2 marks. Okay, and expression 1 marks. Okay, altogether it is, now see, question number, it is a question, now question number 10 हो गया ना, we have done 10. Why did Oliver look his mother? हो, ठीक है. Now see, 3 questions are given and we have written question number 1, 2, 3. 3 questions, 3 answers are given. She knew her son Lutkins was pretending to be Bill. The narrator's predicaments amused her. So these are the points you have to write in your answer. Then only you will get the, okay, then only you will get the marks. Now question number 2. She was overfeeding Tricky, being overfed. Now you can see the answers. These points you have to write. If you will not write these points, same points should be there for your question. If you will not write these points, then you will not get the answer. You will not get the marks. You can't blame CBSE that we have not got the marks. Okay. Now come to the question number 11. Okay. Now question number 11. 3 questions are given. Again, answer any 2 questions, 40 to 50 words. And you have to attempt only 2 questions in this. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. So, question number 1, here you can see any writes that it was fortunate that Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. Why does she feel so? So, see, 3 questions are given. So, how you will write? How you will write this 3 marks questions? Will be of 3 marks. 3 see, this 3 marks question will be of 3 into 2 means 2 questions you have to attempt na, 3 marks, 6 numbers. Okay, so how you will write question number, you can see question number 1 here. You can see the points. Poem referred to the father swan who is bit his 3 ducks because they quacked too much. ठीक है, allusion to Mr. Kissing. So these points should be mentioned there. If you will not mention these points for question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 1, 2, 3, you can see here for 2 also. These points if you will not mention, then you will not get the marks. Okay. Now how? For content means stating minimum 2 points plus justification. Okay. Now expression, it is that logical procession that should be there. Okay. That if you will not write, you will not get the marks. These are the writing scheme and you have to follow that. Now come to the B. Part B of 11 only. Griffins. Now you can see in the part B also 3 questions are given. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Griffin realizes that the man of the science fades before his darker traits comment. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. 3 questions are given. Now for the 3 questions here you can see 2 marks is allowed and 2 only you have to attempt. So 3 into 2, 6 marks. Okay. Now brilliant scientist give example. He was a lawless person. See the points are given. I am not reading the points because it will take time. You can read it slowly and slowly. I am scrolling. Okay. Question number 1 points. You can see the answer of question number 1 is given. The answer of question number 2 is given here. You can see question number 2 and the answer for question number 3. It is also given. Okay. And what is the marking scheme for this question is, you can see here for content 2 marks and for expression 1 marks. Question number 11. Okay. Now come to question number 12. It is of 5 marks. It is long answer type question. Answer any one of the following in 100 to 120 words. It is of 5 marks. Now here you can see 2 questions are given. It is here question number 1 you can see Natalia. Okay. From that proposal chapter it is given. Now here you can see again the marking scheme for this question. Okay. The question is given, how you will write the answer for this question. This is of 5 marks. Okay. Natalia and Ivan argued about the ownership of Oxen Meadows and the superiority of their respective dog in the play. The proposal. Imagine yourself as the playwright of the play based on your understanding of the personality traits of Natalia and Ivan. Write the dialogue based on the imaginary event overcasing another argument between them. Okay. Now see how you will write. What are the points you have to write for this answer? Okay. There should be creativity, imagination. Okay. Now there should be extra potential beyond the text. Now it is from First Flight book and the marks is, you can see here, 1 into 5, that is 5 marks. For the content, their content 3 marks, expression 2 marks, and 1 means 2 marks, 1 mark for grammatical accuracy and 1 marks for appropriate word spelling. Okay, like that. Now question number 8, you can say. Now here you can see these points you have to write here, relevant points. Now marking scheme here it is given. Okay. Now question number B. Read the extract given below and comment on the difference of in the nature of help both the character of these two stories received. Now here two stories you can see, two stories A and B. Okay, by reading this two story you have to write. So how you will write? What is the marking scheme for this question? So according to this you can see here both need help. Both by reading this black aeroplane, the question, this is from the black aeroplane and the lencho, the letter to God. First question A is from black aeroplane and B is from the letter to God. You can see here. Now in these two questions, first of all the similarity is that both wanted help. One in the Lencho chapter they wanted help from the God, and black aeroplane they also wanted help from the God, because here you can see in the black aeroplane he is helped by the stranger in a black aeroplane in the storm without lights. Now Stuart thought the dark clouds was all there was no other aeroplane in air other than his. Now these are the points you can see for the black aeroplane. And again wasn't clear who helped him. It was not clear now who helped him, because when he came for thanking him there was no any aeroplane, no any pilot. Open to, now you can see here what it was written, and the last, help is not asked for but he receives it, is thankful. He was thankful, na? The pilot was thankful for the black aeroplane. And the Lencho chapter, a Lencho, in a letter to God, different nature of it. Lencho writes a letter to God asking for money. His conviction in God touches the postmaster, isn't it? That some people is there in the world who is having such a great faith in God. Postmasters, now here you can see these are the points given from CBSE. You have to mention in your answer. Okay? The postmaster raises money and send it to him. He asks for help. The sources of his aid is clearly revealed. Not satisfied. Okay? Then also he told them the bunch of crow. Okay? Now see the marking scheme it is given here. 3 marks for content. Now 2 marks for expression. And in 2 marks only 1 marks for spelling mistake, error, like that. Now question number 13. It is the last question of language and literature of your question paper. It is also, it will have two options, A and B. You have to attempt only one. Hari Singh says he knew it but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Anil successfully addressed the situation by not addressing it at all. Elaborate based on your reading of the thief story. Now you can see the thief story here. It is given from the thief story. How you will write this question? This question is also of 5 marks. Okay. Now you have to attempt only one. A and B. You can see here A, and question number B is also given here. Question number B. Out of these two questions, you have to attempt only one question. So first of all, I am telling the answer of this question. What CBSE has given. So you have to attempt one question only. It is from footprints without feet, and the total marks is 5. For the content 3 marks and expression 2 marks. Okay. Now see. Now for the first one, for the Vijay Singh, despite knowing that the money had been taken, dampness of notes, Anil chose to remain quiet about the matter. Now the second point, pretended that all was normal, realized that Hari Singh's honesty had prevailed over his temptation. Now third point, wanted to reward him, encourage him, discussing the theft would have been. Now here you can say in the Vijay Singh, he was knowing everything. Anil was knowing everything, but he was not revealing. Okay. Now these points you have to write, then you will get the answer. If you will not write these 3 points, you will not. 2 points you will write, 2 marks you will get. 1 point you will write, 1 marks you will get. Okay. Now for this question, question number 2, I am only one, but I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can do something. And I will not let what I cannot do interfere with what I do. Bholi is, now here you can see this question is from Bholi. Okay, now in this chapter, what points you have to write for this question? You have to support the given quote and you have to justify this quote. Okay, Bholi's evaluation from the dumb cow as a masterpiece. Okay, now the evaluation process supported by examples from the text. Okay, dumb cow. Dumb cow means people's perception of her lack of sense, stammering, which kept her quiet and submissive and demure most of the time, going to school, guidance of the teacher and education, overcome stammering, instilled confidence and a sense of self-esteem. Here, these points you have to mention. Did not, now here you can see, did not come to be greedy demand of the prospective groom and spoke out. Now conclusion, this journey of holy growth clearly showcases the idea of being an individual and not being exploited by the people or circumstances. Instead evolves to being a person being proactive and contributing to the well-being of others around, which is exactly what she decides to do. So this we have to write from the Boli chapter. If you will write these points, then you will get the 3 marks, 5 marks. Otherwise, you will not get the marks. Okay. Now thank you children. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the further notification.